Mommy, it's cold outside. It's so very cold. You're on top of your heating pad, on top of blankets, under blankets. Tough life for cheese at Christmas time. Well, welcome to Vlogmas day 23. We're almost here. It is almost noon and we are almost up to 18 degrees. Yeah, but we have sunshine and only a little bit of a breeze. So, see if I can turn you around. Look out the window. I don't know if you can or see. No, I don't think you can see because the sun's coming in. Maybe if I touch you over here. Yeah, it's cold. And as the Chihuahuas are on the heating pad under the blankets, we have had, I'll show you what I've done. Whenever we have if we're warned of a freeze, hard freeze, we open up all the cabinet doors for plumbing. And especially at night, we drip the faucets. So we did that all last night because it got down to 10 degrees. So, I haven't pulled my coffee yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and pull it that way because I've got to go run some errands, and then I'll probably have it when I get back because I'll probably be very cold. So we're going to go over here. Let's see, today 23. Turn around again, right here. Peanut brittle. Well, that's going to be different. Peanut brittle. Yesterday's chocolate cherry was pretty darn, the chocolate cherry was pretty darn tasty. So I have one more for tomorrow, the 24th. And that's it. So I'll have this later when I come back. So I've got to bundle up. I'll show you what I am wearing so far right now. Let me see if I can put you on my... Sometimes you just gotta sit and snuggle. Rotten. You look like a hot dog between two blankets on the heating pad. He has not left this hardly at all today. But where are you going, June? Where are you going? Where's Santa baby? Tree looks so pretty. All the presents are wrapped. And put, oh, I wonder, I was gonna do this. Remember as a kid, did y'all ever lay down under the Christmas tree? Y'all want to see what it looks like under the Christmas tree, laying down? Did y'all ever do that? Patrick, did you ever do that? What? As a kid, lay underneath the Christmas tree and look up at the lights.
I guess so.
You never did? Okay. I did. It's pretty cool. Okay, that was nostalgia. Oh, Santa baby. And y'all look at this. The lights went out on the top of the dining room tree. And no, I am not taking everything off and putting more lights on there. It's just gonna have to deal with it. Okay? Yeah. We'll have tomorrow when we have dinner in here, or excuse me, Christmas Day, Christmas evening when we have dinner in here, I'll just turn these on. And that way it'll distract from it. So yeah. All right. Well, where is everybody?
The box.
The box of Buttocks beer? And look who's here following you. It's like the Pied Piper.
Yeah. Yeah. Imagine that.
What Santa baby got for you? Huh? What's he got? What's he got for you? There's your treat. Good baby. And good. And she takes off and runs and eats it in there. And Chico just eats it right there.
Somebody's got to do it.
Was it a cold day, Santa baby?
Yes, it was.
Tomorrow it's going to be in the 30s, I think.
Yeah, it comes up a little bit. I think high 36. Hey, it's an improvement.
And then that's Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day, it's going to be in the low 40s, I think.
Yeah, it starts just easing up the next few days.
Yeah.
Back to 60 and 70 the latter part of next week.
Cool.
I won't complain.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, my friend Lori from Lori FM Lifestyle, she said they had this morning negative 34 degrees with wind chill.
Lord, where's she at?
She's Egypt? No. I think Midwest somewhere, Iowa or Ohio.
Egypt? I was going to say, no, I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
Well, there was something Egypt, but I wasn't going to say that. Okay, yeah. So, but some northwestern somewhere, yeah, and they have a lot of trains going through their town. They have a yard in their town, train yard. So she gets stopped by the train at least twice a day, she said.
Oh, wow.
Are you looking for your glasses?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
He's got to get his glasses. Oh, this is hung on me. It's been a cold day. And I've had 2 sweaters on most of the day. So I'll show you what I've made for dinner if you want to see while we're waiting. Very, very simple because we're coming over here and we've got Parmesan chicken and spaghetti. Always a good, easy meal. And why am I so foggy? Let me see. Where's that little thing? There we go. That's a little bit clearer.
Red blend.
I got a red one?
Red blend.
Red blend. Good. Okay. I like red blend. I think I showed you, I got 2 bottles of the Diamante that I got that night that I really liked that. I went to Total Wine because they had them there. And these are actually liter bottles. I didn't realize, Patrick and I had a discussion about that. I thought all wine bottles were 750 milliliters, but these are 1,000 milliliters. So it's like 25% more. So cool. All right, let's try. What was the red blend on this one? This one was Grand Sud. Didn't I have something Grand Sud before?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. All right, so let's see. This is the red. Oh, that's good too. You know, I find the red blends, there's very few that you can go wrong with. And I think it's because they find just a great combination of them. All right, and we have, someone needs to go. It's cold. Go quickly. June, you need to go? Go quickly. Let's see. They'll be back very quick soon.
So there's only 23 of the cheeses?
No, the 24's on the top page.
Oh, okay.
When you flip it over, it's on the very top.
Okay, I was gonna say, well, that's legit.
I know, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. What did I get?
Gouda.
Gouda. Okay.
Just Gouda.
Okay. Well, I Googled Mediterranean Gouda, which is my favorite, I think, of all of them. And I think Albertsons may carry it.
Huh,
So
okay.
I may check with, because Kroger has the old Ye Olde Cheese shop. So they may
True, they may.
carry it too. And that'd be good for, you know, different times throughout the year. So,
Yeah.
so we have just plain old Gouda.
Just Gouda.
Just good. Oh, and you got a psychedelic one. Is it peanut butter or root beer?
Grapefruit, India.
Grapefruit. Let's get a close-up of this taste. And a peace sign. 6%. That's
Yeah,
a
these
lot,
have all been pretty stout. Yeah.
Okay.
Craft beers usually are.
Let's see. We'll get a visual here of what this tastes like. Okay. Taste it. Bad.
You say it tastes like buttocks?
That's bad. Oh man, I need wine. Oh, nasty.
Yeah, it is.
That's got to be the worst one I think I've tasted. I don't know. They're all the ones that I tasted that were bad.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Yuck-a-roo. Cheese come in, that whenever they come in, they get a treat. And so we're working on these little things because they just had a cookie over there. So I'm just going to give them a little bit of the thing from the cookies. They love these. If y'all didn't catch the recipe, let me know because they are so good. What did I get for chocolate? Oh, that flavor. Ooh, chocolate square. Square, okay. So, got chocolate and cheese and wine. I'm a happy girl as soon as I get that nasty taste out of my mouth.
Do you follow Deidre on or Beardix on IG?
I like all their
you see,
cartoons.
Yeah.
They're opening a new place or something. Fate.
Yeah.
Where's Fate?
Just east of Rockwall.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty much like the next town.
The next town over?
Or going east. Yeah.
We need to go over there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Maybe on a Saturday when you're off or something, we can go.
Yeah.
Take a road trip, and we'll do a little vlog that day and take everybody with us, and see if they've got buttocks beers. If they have a tasting room or something.
I don't know. Yeah, I really don't. I mean,
This
they
is
do
good.
a heck of a business. I know that much, man.
This is really good. It's creamy.
Good. Yeah.
Very creamy. Gail, this is good. Lori, this is good.
Yeah, it is. No, it's got a good flavor. Sorry, we didn't do that. Well,
Cheers. Happy December 23rd.
December ween.
December ween.
Yeah.
And who comes tomorrow night?
Sandy Claus.
Sandy Claus.
Sandy's going to be like really busy tomorrow because Sandy hadn't done shoot for Christmas shopping. So I always wait till last minute. No big deal.
I've taken care of everything else. It's all wrapped and there. So the kids come over tomorrow night. And
I might just give them money.
yeah, adult kids. Yeah. I've got them some
That way
cool
they can buy
stuff.
Whatever they want.
Yeah. So, yeah, and
Yeah.
then we'll have some food, and we'll go to church.
Yeah.
Candlelight service.
Got it, buddy.
And the Cowboys. Let's talk about the Cowboys. All right.
We're playing tomorrow?
Yes. Remember last week when they lost and the announcers were saying, well, they were out of it. Well, they didn't take into consideration another game that had to happen. And if a particular one lost, that it would put them,
Washington.
yeah, Washington Redskins, as we call them.
Yeah.
So we found out the next morning that the Cowboys are in the playoffs and they have to play the Eagles
Yeah.
tomorrow at 3:30, and church services at 5:30. So we may have to hit pause on the game. I don't know if the pause will do that or not.
Let's watch what we can.
We'll be at halfway anyway when we leave, probably at halftime. So we'll have you never know at halftime though, so we'll go see, because the church is only 5 minutes away, so
Yeah, sure.
yeah. So, and then we will watch It's a Wonderful Life tomorrow night.
Indeed.
That's what we do on Christmas Eve. And so tomorrow I've got to start cooking a few things for Sunday, for Christmas Day. I'll go ahead and cook my bacon I don't know. I may not, because I may just leave the pan because it's already in there. Back up on that. I will cook the sausage for the breakfast casserole. So I used to, for years, I made 2 quiches for breakfast. But then last year I made a breakfast casserole and everybody loved it. So we're going to go with that because it's a lot easier. And then cinnamon rolls. So
Yeah, it was good.
it was very good.
Yeah, it really
and
was.
mimosas. So we'll have mimosas Christmas morning. So, and then we sober up throughout the day for Christmas dinner, for the drunken roast.
Yeah, those are good too, boy.
Yeah.
It really is.
All right, so we're going to get out of here and have tonight. Patrick's going to eat his dinner, and then we will see you guys tomorrow for
Bet.
Vlogmas 24,
24.
Christmas Eve,
Yep.
the night for the big guy.
Indeed.
So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Enjoy, guys.